If you're continuously consuming foods that need preservatives in order for the food not to rot, it's ultimately going to have a very negative effect on your body. A perfect example of this are nitrates. Nitrates are nitrogen-based chemical compounds that are added inside of meats as preservatives. If something needs to be preserved in order for it to not rot, it is usually toxic for the human body. This is why I tell people you ultimately want to eat food that goes bad, food with energetic enzyme activity. The perfect example of this are fruits and vegetables. You buy a banana, right? A green banana, you let it sit on your counter, it slowly turns to yellow, right? You buy a green avocado, it slowly turns to brown. That's because of enzyme activity. That's because these are living foods. You want to eat food that has life force within it, just like every single other species on Earth does. Every species on Earth eats raw living food. That is the majority of their diet. The only exception to that are the animals that we've domesticated, like dogs and cats, and they get a lot of the same diseases that we get. Every species, even natural meat eaters, a lion would walk right past a cow that's been dead on the street for 2 days. Even lions run up to their prey, they bite them in the neck, and they're ripping into the flesh while the animal's heart is still beating. Every species eats raw, even natural meat eaters. So making the majority of our diet raw, it doesn't have to be 100%. But just switching over to the majority living food, that's going to create a huge difference in your health. I highly recommend this.